given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes vanilla weather radio. All hazards on alert test. This is vanilla weather radio. All hazards. WXL70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Ranlo, North Carolina.
And that was a weekly test. Wait. That was a weekly test. So what's going on? On my Midland 74-250, with this watch over here, and also my 12-254 as cameo. As I was listening to WXL70 on it to know when they'll be doing their tests, to also know when the 74-50, which is also on WXL70, like the 12-254, would go off for the weekly test, which it did.